everybody. I'm on vacation in Manistee, Michigan, and I thought I would just do a quick video of the leather tote from Saddleback Leather and show you what's inside my bag. We've been walking around town for a couple hours. This town is adorable. If you ever want to come to northern Michigan, go to Manistee. And we're about to go over to the brewery and get a burger and some fries and beer. But I thought, let's do this really quick. I don't know how it's gonna look. I'm in my loungewear, no makeup, but I don't think you care. All right, so previously I've had the chestnut version of the leather tote from Saddleback. And I'm grateful that Saddleback sent me that bag to review, but tobacco leather is my favorite. So I swapped it for tobacco. Isn't this beautiful? I've been using it for a couple weeks. You can actually kind of see the nap. Is that coming through, Mark? Okay. So this is very much more my preference of leather, and it's holding up great. Nice patina. Okay, so why don't we jump into what I'm carrying. This bag doesn't have a closure, but it really doesn't open when you're carrying it on your shoulder. So today we've been just kind of walking up and down the shops, and you can't have a vacation without some Gargettos. And we were sitting on a park bench, and I got these out, and then all the ducks showed up, but we did not give them any Gargettos. Now I need to explain this. Does anyone do this? They buy Gargettos and then they buy the garlic rye chips, and then they make the ratio better. No? Okay. Here's a pocket. Sunglasses. These are my old lady sunglasses because they block all the sun when I'm driving. Okay. Oh, I painted yesterday at a produce spot. I'll show you my watercolor. This is a place called Miller's Produce. Oh, isn't that cute? So this is, I don't know what kind of truck that is, but they just had a display of pumpkins and flowers. That was fun. We're gonna go stop by there again today and show them the painting because they were closed when I was painting it yesterday. What else is in here? You guys all know this next thing. It's just a bunch of pouches. This is the earbud pouch from Love 41, whip and post pouch, the medium one, whip and post pouch, the large one, and inside is like hand sanitizer, ibuprofen, just kind of boring stuff. Oh, I've been using this wallet again, long trifold wallet from Saddleback Leather. I'm going to hold these up for comparison. The color is pretty exact. This I got in like 2015, right? A while ago. And then this bag is from 2018. So that might help you at home. My hair keeps getting in my face. Whatever this is, the plug, USB. And we went to an art store and I got some watercolor paints. A paintbrush, really kind of weird. Watercolor paint. And Mark got, can I tell him what you got? Glow-in-the-dark duct tape as a stocking stuffer for his family. But they don't watch my videos, so they won't know. Okay, so now that the bag is empty, just one more quick overview. I'm holding up great. I like the adjustable shoulder height. Outside pocket, I use the most for my cell phone. This is I really like that this is unlined, so it's smushy the first day you get it. And the inside pocket, I generally put either my cell phone charger or my sunglasses or my trifold wallet. I normally put right there to grab easy. Okay, I think that's it. Let me know if you have more questions. I plan on doing a video comparing this tote with all my other totes. That will be coming up in a couple weeks. And check out Instagram, Perfect Leather Bag. I'll see you guys later. Thanks.